Hey guys, today, let's learn how to fix iMessage pictures not downloading on iPhone. So if you guys want to go ahead and fix this issue, that your iMessage pictures is not necessarily downloading on your iPhone device. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to fix this, step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, if you want to go and fix this issue, you may want to go ahead and double check first. With your internet connection, we do need to be aware that iMessage does mainly use your internet and your cell data to be connected with its server, so that you could save and send pictures on there. So you need to go ahead and double check your Wi-Fi. If you are experiencing some issues with your Wi-Fi, and you could also go ahead and try your cell data instead of your Wi-Fi, and see which one between the two is going to work better. Now, the last thing we could also do to solve this issue is to go ahead and basically try to update your iPhone iOS softwares. Now, if you do have an update available with your iOS software, so we're gonna go ahead and double check over onto the software update on your settings application. Now, what this is gonna do is, it's gonna basically solve these little issues and bugs like this, and it will give you the best user experience possible. That is all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.